Hello friends, you're watching Johannes. Before we start our review, let's make our disclaimer. This video doesn't contain any type of financial advice, so be sure to do your own research before investing. If you are living in the United Arab Emirates and you ever tried to buy crypto directly from your bank account, you've probably run into the same problems. Either the platform doesn't support AED properly, the fees are too high, or the whole process just feels unnecessarily complicated. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step method to go from AED in your bank account to crypto in your wallet, and then back to your bank again, using one of the most seamless setups currently available in the UAE. Now, before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about the platform we are using today, OKX. OKX is a global crypto exchange, but what makes it particularly relevant in the UAE is its regulatory status. It operates under the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, or VARA, which is the official regulator for digital assets in Dubai. That's important because it means the platform is licensed to offer service locally, rather than routing users through offshore entities. In terms of features, OKX is a full ecosystem. You get access to over 400 cryptocurrencies, spot trading, which is basic buying and selling, derivatives like futures and options, and a built-in Web3 wallet supporting over 130 blockchains. But despite all of these features, the reason we are focusing on OKX today is very specific. It solves one of the biggest friction points for UAE users, moving money between your bank account and crypto easily using AED. So let's start from the beginning, creating your account. You'll find my affiliate link in the description. If you use that link, you may also get access to any active promotions. Once you click it, you'll land on OKX registration page. You just enter your email, create a password, and your account will be created within seconds. After that, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as Know Your Customer or KYC. Approval is straightforward, and in most cases, approval happens within about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your account is verified, you're ready to move on the most important part, depositing AED. Now, we get into the core feature of this video, depositing AED directly from your bank account. Inside the OKX or OKX app, go to Assets, Deposit, select AED. You'll see an option called Simple Bank Transfer. This is where OKX really differentiates itself. Instead of using peer-to-peer transactions or third-party services, you can link your bank account directly inside the app. To do that, you'll enter your bank holder name and your IBAN number. Once your bank account is linked, here what stands out. The minimum deposit is just 10 AED. You can connect up to 5 different bank accounts. You can track the status of your transfer in real time, and there are no hidden fees for deposits. And from there, process is also simple. Enter the amount you want to deposit, authorize the transaction through your banking app, and wait for the funds to arrive in your OKX balance. This is a big improvement compared to what many users are used to. On a lot of platforms, users rely on peer-to-peer transfers, which can be slower, more complex, and sometimes inconsistent. In here, everything is direct, integrated, and designed specifically for users in the UAE. So, once your AED balance is available in your account, the next step is buying crypto. If you're a beginner, the easiest way is the Use Buy feature. You simply select the asset, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, enter the amount, and confirm the purchase. If you want more control, you can switch to the trading interface, where you can place market orders which execute instantly, or limit orders, where you can choose your price. And for more advanced users, OKX also supports future trading, options, and copy trading strategies. But for most people starting out, the instant buy option is the simplest and fastest way to get exposure. Now let's move to the other side of the process, withdrawing your money back to your bank account. This is where many platforms fall short, so it is important to understand how it works. First, you need to convert your crypto back into AED by selling your assets. Once you have an AED balance, go to Withdrawal and select AED. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. But here are the key details you should know. Minimum withdrawal is 200 AED, and there is a fixed fee of 75 AED. Also, withdrawals under 50,000 AEDs are typically processed within one business day. Now, I want to be transparent here. The 75 AED fee is something you should factor in, but in exchange, you're getting a direct, reliable off-ramp to your bank account without needing to depend on external services or complicating workarounds. And that reliability is what matters most for many users. Before we wrap up, let me quickly show you a few additional features inside OKX. First, there's a built-in Web3 wallet. This is a self-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys, often described as your keys, your crypto. It supports over 130 blockchains and connects you directly to decentralized applications. Then you have also trading bots, which allows you to automate strategies like grid trading or dollar cost averaging. And finally, there is OKX Earn, where you can stake or lend your assets to potentially generate passive income. We won't go deep into these features in this video, but they are worth exploring once you're comfortable with the basics. So overall, if you are based in the United Arab Emirates and you are looking for a straightforward way to move between AED and crypto, this setup is one of the most practical options available right now. You can find my affiliate link in the description. Feel free to use it if you want to get started and access any available promotions. And that's the end of this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out for more. See ya.